Did you bring your entire lab with you? I know you said it was an urgent matter, but... Oh, shut up, the both of you. Ah! What? No ancient tape recorder this time? No need for it. This is a personal endeavor. I don't need or want it recorded for posterity. Too risky to leave a trail behind. Speaking of risk, your friend, partner. Oh? As in business partner? Research partner? Or... Really now? Is that true, Cyril? I knew you were sweet on a coworker. There is no way you knew that. I read your diary in the lab once. I thought it was his notes on me and got curious, but found something much more interesting instead. You did not. No, Dove. It was not a diary. I don't have adorable. That's enough. We've got business to attend to. All right. Now, I have to ask, can they be trusted? Sorry for asking that right in front of you, just got to be cautious. I trust them more than I do most people, and they already know the majority of what's been going on anyway. I showed them my old lab notes and the recordings of our previous experiments. Besides, this might involve them. Now, what did you two do? What? But... I don't... Yes, pretty much. What they said. Things have been going downhill rather quickly. Therefore, I decided it would be best to come to you. That it'd be better to try to... I don't know, trigger things with you here to supervise and give your input. Get your perspective. Fucking academics never change. Cyril, I don't know if you recall, but I'm not exactly an expert in this either. I only had the slightest grasp on how this all worked before. Now that it's all gotten convoluted, I'm not much better off than you. And for that matter, why the hell are you trying to use yourself as a test subject? I see why you two get along so well now. Reckless idiots, the both of you. Excuse you, how often have you intentionally put yourself in harm's way for the sake of gathering information? That's different. Because I'm me. It's fine if it's me. I don't think that's how that works, Roman. Sure it is. Now then, let's get this figured out, I'll do what I can, especially considering that I've been having a few more run-ins of my own lately, and I'd like to get to the bottom of it myself. So, what exactly has been going on? Sorry. Ever since... what? Although my... affliction began before the train derailment, so we can't assume the fault rupturing was to blame. What? Train derailment? What the hell have you two been... Wait. So, to clarify, not only did you, Cyril, start seeing those shadow freaks, which you really should have told me about sooner, but now you are also seeing them. Well, that's not ideal. Is it contagious? Proximity? Firstly, how long has this been going on? When did this train accident, apparently, occur? And Cyril, when did you first start to see them? Well, I first began seeing them, shortly after our last meeting. When they were, when there were several of them in the room with us. What? Apparently. Right. Yes, it started with whispering and shadows moving in my periphery. It always stopped when I turned to it, though, like I was being toyed with. For a short while after the Delvon fault ruptured, that's what they experienced too, yes. And I take it that's not the case for either of you anymore, right? I don't know. It feels like they were testing the waters, testing us. Maybe they were studying us, attempting to figure out if we were able to see them or not, but they've gotten braver now, or at least more interested. Right. The train derailment, the fault rupturing, we think it did something to us. They became a target or something, the same as you and I, Roman. And the shadows seem to have latched on more firmly to me than before the rupture. Tell me exactly what happened. We don't remember much. Anything you can, please. If I'm going to help, I need to know what we're working with. I see. I was even able to feel the effects of the rupture from here. I can't imagine what it was like in the immediate proximity of it. Unpleasant. It was unpleasant. Exactly. It felt as if the air was gone. Everything was so bright and loud and then the whispering, and then the shadows slowly crept in until they surged toward us. Then darkness. That's... Wait, what? What do you mean they swarmed? Oh, right. You don't really remember that part, Dove. One moment they were just staring at us. The next, they all moved in unison, and what happened after? You really don't remember anything after? Cyril? I may remember a bit of what happened, and it would seem the events that transpired have been plaguing both of our dreams, or nightmares, really. So, Dove, what the hell was that for? Well, yes, but I didn't tell you because I didn't want to worry you needlessly. I'm inclined to agree with them. I'm feeling pretty damn worried now, too. Are the nightmares why you look so awful? What? Because you look awful. I'd say you look tired too, but I have no clue what you usually look like. Besides, my mother raised me better than to comment on a stranger's appearance. But you'll comment on mine with no hesitation? Of course, you don't count. Anyway, some things happened, then we were found unharmed, but unconscious in a park near the Institute. Once again, I'm in agreement with them. Why are you trying to brush past what happened? Wait, park? Yes, a park. The park is quite interesting, actually, yes. How close to the Institute was it? Did it have a pond? If you were paying attention, I just said that neither of us had any recollection of being there. You'll have to excuse my disbelief. I just find it difficult to take your word for it, considering you also just said that you had no memory of what happened after you two were swarmed. And look at what we know now. No, Dove, I really don't remember anything about the park. All I know is what was divulged by the team who retrieved us. Apparently it was a few blocks away. I've never been myself, nor do I ever plan to. Why is that? It just... What does this have to do with the shadows, or the whispers, I don't know, it's just a feeling. The very idea of going there makes a chill go up my spine. Like some baser instinct is warning me to stay away. Ridiculous, I know, but... Oh, come on. No, they're right. It really could be something. Roman, what's that expression for? If it's the place I'm thinking of, then this is just me theorizing, but there's a park near the Institute. We've established this. Thank you. Lovely to see someone can keep him in line. As I was saying, there's a park that... I don't know how to describe it. It's not the park itself, but the location. It's like a magnet or a tether of some sort. When I could still time jump, that location frequently pulled me in. No matter the time. That spot, it was... Well, that's not quite true. What isn't? I don't know how to describe it, but ignore that. I was just rambling. My point is, this place clearly has some sort of association with the cross points. And while I haven't been there since that big fault eruption, I can guarantee that it was affected in some way. I'd bet my life on it. Don't joke like that. That's morbid even for you. Cyril, you're like me. I mean, not quite, but what we are binds us to the cross points. You feel it. It draws you in. They draw you in. Call to you. I don't... That's strange. How did a bird get in here? Another starling? That's the third one this week. An omen? What was that you just said? What? It's nothing to get worked up over. Just a little bird, a star. Did it follow you here? How the hell would I know if a bird followed me? Why would a bird follow me in the first place? Have you finally lost your last shred of sense? See? Even they think it'd be preposterous to have noticed something like that. To leave now. You're lucky I had the forethought not to meet up at my BIP safe house. We've been compromised. What are you talking about? We're not on some sort of secret mission. What's been compromised? What's gotten into you? You look like you've seen a... Finally, someone with some sense. You should have brought them around sooner, Cyril. Oh, shut up. What? What are you doing? What the hell? Huh? In here. Oh my god. What the hell? What the fuck? What? Oh god. I'll stop here a second. I think we're close to the ground floor. Is going on? Why are we being attacked by a bunch of birds? Not birds, shifters. Right, because that makes so much more sense. Here, take this. Is that a gun? Take it. I don't know how to... You take it. We're going to talk about this later. Why are you so comfortable handling that thing? You two can squabble later. We need to get out of here. Don't trust anyone or anything you see. get out and keep moving. Don't go straight home, and don't come back in for any reason. Understand? Not really. I know we only just met, and this is a lot to ask of someone who's practically a stranger, but if it comes down to it, use that. No mercy. They certainly won't show any. Good. No, not good. What the hell is going on, Roman? Do you really want to sit around here chatting while they storm this stairwell? Because if you want to die today, we can do that. What the fuck? Alright, you two go ahead. I'll be right behind you. What do you mean? Where are we going first? That's why I gave you the fun toy. They're most likely after me, and I imagine they've got eyes on all the exits. If they know I'm still in the building, then it's likely they'll leave you alone. Hopefully. But just go! I'll be right behind you. Don't worry. Sacrifice himself or something. The door. Do you think it's safe to leave? Very comforting. Do you see Roman behind us? Oh, that's not good. No. He said not to go back in. The whole place is swarmed. We'd never make it back out. Roman can handle himself. I trust him to know what he can handle. I'm sure. Isn't that unfortunate?